In this video, we listed the 5 best enclosed 3D printers that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Comgrow Creality Ender 3v3 SE. The Comgrow Ender 3v3 SE 3D printer offers a rapid and efficient printing experience, capable of reaching speeds of up to 250 mm per second with an acceleration of 2500 mm per square second, while maintaining high-quality output. Designed for ease of use, this printer can be assembled in just 3 steps within approximately 20 minutes and features CR Touch for automatic leveling and a strain sensor for auto Z offset, making it beginner-friendly. Their Sprite direct extruder ensures smooth feeding of a variety of filaments, including PLA, PETG, and TPU, with proven reliability from over 500,000 units shipped globally. The package includes 6 brass nozzles of varying sizes and 2 heat-resistant silicone socks, enhancing performance by preventing filament leakage and protecting the heating block from abrasion. The printer is compatible with multiple materials and supports the step file format, making it a versatile choice for both novice and experienced users. Number 2. QIDI Q1 Pro 3D Printer. The QIDI Technology Q1 Pro 3D Printer is a high-performance machine designed for both beginners and experienced users, featuring a compact design with dimensions of 18.39 inch x 18.78, x 19.25 h. It utilizes a lightweight Core XY system and independent dual Z-axis motors, enabling impressive printing speeds of up to 600 mm per second and acceleration of 20,000 mm², ensuring precision without compromising quality. The printer supports a wide range of materials, including PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, and carbon fiber, and is equipped with a bimetal nozzle that can reach temperatures of 350 degrees Celsius. With full auto calibration, smart filament detection, and an active heating chamber that maintains temperatures up to 60 degrees Celsius, the Q1 Pro enhances print quality and reduces warping. It offers a user-friendly experience, allowing users to start printing within 10 minutes of unboxing, and includes features such as a 1080p HD camera for monitoring and a mobile app for remote control. For improved air quality, an optional activated carbon air filter can be added, making it suitable for various applications while ensuring a safer printing environment. Number 3. FLASHFORGE Printer. The FLASHFORGE Adventure 5M is a cutting-edge 3D printer designed for efficiency and precision, accommodating various materials such as PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, and more, with the requirement of an enclosed environment for certain filaments. With dimensions of 15.83 inch x 14.29, x 17.64 h and a weight of 23.8 pounds, this printer boasts one-click automatic printing that ensures impeccable bed leveling and consistent adhesion, eliminating manual adjustments. The Core XY structure enables ultra-fast printing speeds of 600 mm per second and 20,000 mm² acceleration, making it ideal for rapid prototyping and mass production. The printer features a high-flow nozzle for quick warm-up times and easy nozzle changes, along with a dual-sided PEI platform for hassle-free print removal. Enhanced print quality is achieved through dual-fan nozzles, vibration compensation, and multiple nozzle sizes, while the inclusion of the Flash Maker mobile app allows for real-time monitoring and parameter adjustments, ensuring a seamless and intelligent printing experience. Number 4. Monoprice Voxel 3D Printer. The Monoprice Voxel 3D Printer is a user-friendly device designed for ease of use and efficiency, featuring a quick change nozzle that allows for rapid swapping without tools, taking only seconds. Its compact dimensions of 15.9 inch x 15.7, x 15 h and weight of 12.92 kilograms make it versatile for various settings. The printer is equipped with a heated, flexible, and removable build plate that simplifies model removal and maintenance, while also allowing for easy temperature adjustments up to 60 degrees Celsius. The Voxel comes fully calibrated, ensuring immediate usability out of the box, and includes a touch screen for convenient nozzle bed distance adjustments. Additionally, it incorporates an auto-feeding system with a filament sensor to streamline the loading process and pours prints if filament levels are low. Compatible with multiple operating systems including Windows, Mac OS X, and Linux, the Monoprice Voxel is designed to enhance the 3D printing experience for users of all levels. For more information and to access software updates, users can visit the Monoprice website and search for a Voxel or use part number 33820. Number 5. Creality K1C 3D Printer. The Creality K1C 3D Printer is an advanced, high-speed printing solution designed for both enthusiasts and professionals, featuring a lightweight Core XY system that allows for speeds up to 600 mm per second and accelerations of 20,000 mm s², making it 12 times faster than traditional 3D printers. Constructed from aluminum, the K1C is equipped with a clog-free direct extruder and a tri-metal unicorn nozzle, ensuring reliable performance while supporting a range of high-temperature filaments, including carbon fiber composites. Its user-friendly design includes hands-free auto-calibration, dynamic balancing to reduce vibration, and an AI camera for real-time monitoring and time-lapse photography. Additionally, the printer boasts an enclosed chamber, a 300 degrees Celsius hot end, and a silent mode that operates at less than or equal to 45 dB, making it suitable for various environments. The Creality OS enhances usability with powerful software features, while the company provides a 12-month after-sales service for customer support. Overall, the K1C is a versatile and efficient 3D printing solution, ideal for high-performance applications.